Hey everybody, welcome back to Cookin with James. I'm your host James. Today's going to be awesome because we're going to be doing some naked Asian chicken wings on the air fryer Oven Elite. Here's a sneak peek. I gotta say, those look pretty amazing. So let's go ahead and get into what we're doing today. Here we go. Alright guys, so this is what we got. We have 12 wings. I got drumettes and flats. And real quick, naked wings are simply a term that there's no batter on them. There's no flour, there's no cornstarch, no wet batter, no nothing. You can simply use a binder if you want, which I'm going to use some sriracha sauce as a binder. And you can use some seasoning if you want. And that's what we're going to do. So we're going to take our dozen wings, drop them in this bowl right here, just like that. I'm going to take this sriracha, and you can use as much as you want. You just kind of want everything evenly coated. I'd say a few teaspoons just to get everything evenly coated. You can wear gloves if you want, or a spoon if you want. I'm just going to get in here and dig these around. No big deal. Oh, the smell of sriracha is so delicious. Alright guys, so we have our dozen chicken wings. I let them sit in the sriracha binder for about 5 minutes and then transfer them back onto this plate. All we're going to simply do is use, I happen to have this. It's the Loot and Booty chicken. You can use salt, pepper, garlic, whatever you want to season them with, but I'm going to go ahead and season these up real quick. Alright, seasoning's done. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the racks for the air fryer and we'll pop them in for you and get you some awesome naked Asian chicken wings. Catch you in a minute. Alright guys, so I have a dozen chicken wings. This air fryer comes with 3 racks. You can fit about 10 or so on each rack. So we got 12. I'm just gonna pop 6 on each one of these racks just to give them some space. I mean, you can do about 30, well actually, yeah, about 30 wings on this air fryer. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and get these all on these 2 racks right here, and we'll get them popped in for you in just a second. Alright guys, so we got them all on the trays, a dozen wings. Like I said, there's 3 racks. You can do 30. There's a bottom rack here if you want to stick them in there, but I'm gonna stick these on the top rack here. Oh, there it is. So, dozen wings, super simple for this thing, no problem at all. We're gonna close this up. I'm gonna take you over here to turn it on. Super easy, hit the power button. Oh, there we go. We're gonna be picking at 375. Sorry for the glare, guys. But we're gonna go for 12 minutes here on this, and we'll bring you right back. All right, guys. There we go. That's our first 12 minutes. And I'm just going to say it smells so good. Or just looking, quite regular, quite naked right now. So we're actually going to give these a turn. And we're going to take these top ones off, put them on the middle rack. And the ones that were on the middle rack, we're going to put those on the top rack. Just like that, guys. We're going to close this thing up. And just like before, power, 375. We're going 12 minutes. Oop, if you can see that again, 12 minutes again. Wait for the fan to kick on, and we'll see you in 12 minutes. Alright guys, there is another beat. Let's just take a look and see what's going on here. And they look absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. This one down here has a little color on it. Over here, I mean, these might even be done. I will have to check temperature on these real quick. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I want to make sure they're done. So I'm gonna probe them real quick. I'll bring you right back. Okay, guys. So the chicken wings are done. I'm gonna give you the sauce that I'm gonna use for it. And this is what makes the sauce. It'll also be in the description below, but it's 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. It is a half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of Hoisen, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 4 tablespoons of honey, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/8 cup of water. And that is what the sauce that we're going to be using is. That looks so good. It smells so amazing. Very good. So that's the sauce that we're going to be using, guys. My own recipe that I put together. So absolutely try it. It'll be in the description below. I'm going to bring you back. We're going to put the sauce on these wings and have some naked Asian chicken wings. All right, guys, we're back. I did probe them. All the chicken was done at 175 to 180 degrees, so it was perfect. So I took them off. Just a quick look, kind of what it is. Just close-up look. There you go. Some of the darker ones that you can see. Looking beautiful, actually. Wow, look at that. So I'm gonna do half of these in the sauce I was telling you about. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take about 6 of these. All right, that'll be for me. I'm gonna set these aside for my wife, and we're gonna grab the sauce. It's been simmering over here, and you guys have the recipe. I'm going to also put that in the description below. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it smells amazing. So I'm just going to drizzle a little bit over here. And very great Asian sauce. This stuff is great. All right. Set that there. I'm just going to toss them around a little bit. Oh my gosh, none of you guys can see the sauce just almost instantly caramelizes. Just awesome. All right, I'm gonna get this on a plate and we'll give you a taste test. We'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, we are done. We are finished with the wings. I actually already started chomping on the wings, so I'm just gonna show you what we got here. As you can see, one of the wings have been eaten. That's this one back here, but you can just, I mean, look at this. I mean, I'm sorry guys, I couldn't wait. These wings are amazing. So I'm definitely, I'm eating them. They're awesome, guys. The sauce was super great. Try the sauce. The air fryer does an awesome job. I'm gonna leave a comment in the description below. So if you guys want to, you can purchase that. But if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. This video was really fun for me, really super easy as well. And you know what? We'll catch you guys on the next cook.